Article 352 of the Indian Constitution outlines the provisions for declaring a national emergency. It grants the President the power to declare a proclamation of emergency if they are satisfied that a grave emergency exists where the security of India or any part of its territory is threatened by war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. Key points about Article 352. 1. Grounds for proclamation. The President can declare an emergency if they believe there is a threat to India's security due to war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. 2. Scope. The proclamation can be applicable to the entire country or a specific part of it. 3. Approval by Parliament. A proclamation must be laid before both houses of Parliament and approved by them within a specific time frame. 4. Review and revocation. The proclamation can be reviewed and revoked by the President at any time. 5. Changes in the Constitution. The 44th Amendment Act of 1978 replaced the term internal disturbance with armed rebellion as a ground for declaring a national emergency. This change aimed to reduce the potential for misuse of emergency powers and ensure that they were used only for genuine threats to national security. And 6. Previous instances. Article 352 has been invoked 3 times in India's history, with the most recent being in 1975 during a period of political instability. In essence, Article 352 empowers the President to take extraordinary measures to protect India's security during times of grave crisis, but with safeguards ensuring accountability and parliamentary oversight. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.